Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching your project to the footage so Filmora applies stabilization correctly. Once done, import and drop the shaky clip on the main timeline. Make sure to duplicate that clip to a second track as a non-destructive backup. This gives you something to revert to if the stabilizer oversmooths. You'll also want to note clip length and camera motion type now, because those factors change the settings you'll pick in the next step. You drag Filmora's video stabilizer effect onto the duplicate or original clip, then open its controls. Start by setting smoothness between 40 and 60 to see the initial result. Increase slowly if wobble remains. At the same time, adjust the crop factor, usually 5 to 15%, to remove black edges the stabilizer creates. Make sure to preview at multiple points in the clip, because different scenes may need slightly different smoothness. You should always render a short segment after stabilizing so you judge true playback performance. Once rendered, compare the stabilized version against your backup by toggling visibility. This shows whether motion feels natural or oversmoothed. If you see warping or frame stretching, reduce smoothness or lower crop factor, then re-render. If problems persist, export using optical flow or higher bitrate to preserve motion fidelity. Finally, save a copy with and without stabilization, so you can revert quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.